With just one touch, I can with just one touch, I can feel my body giving.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nikawati. I'm from 12T TKJD. I made this video to fulfill the PKL report that using English for football. I would like to say thank you very much to Mr. Supriyadi SPD as the head of the concentration of expertise of SMK Negeri 1 Jawai. Mr. Abdul Latif Sarjana Penerapan Komputer as the guidance teacher during the implementation of the PKL, and Mr. Zainuddin.
Title of the Fieldwork Practice Report at the Population and Civil Registration Office. Background to Fieldwork Internship. Fieldwork Internship PKL are educational programs aimed at providing students with direct work experience in industry or related institutions through PKL students not only gain the theoretical knowledge in school but also apply it in real-world situations. Furthermore, internship provides students with a platform to learn about the work environment, industry, culture, and work system in company or institution. This allows students to better prepare themselves for entering the workforce after graduation. General description of the Sambas Population and Civil Registration Service Plan. The Sambas Population and Civil Registration Service Office, part of the Sambas Regency government, was established in 1956 and is tasked with managing population administration and civil registration. With various digital innovation, by 2025 for integrated service, this demonstrates the evolution of services over time, from the Sultanate era to today's digitalization. Vision and mission of the Sambas Agency of Education and Chapel. Vision: providing excellent service in issuance of population documents. Mission: to achieve public satisfaction with the services provided by the population and civil registration service in issuing population documents. The results achieved by the students. 1. Archiving Galaxy, which is archiving chronology, time order of file preparation based on dates, months, and year, so that it makes it easier to search for documents if needed. 2. Birth and death certificate file correction. The correction of the birth and death certificate file is the process of checking and correcting error or data inaccuracies is in the birth and death certificate file. Here are some things that are usually corrected in the word of birth and death. Birth certificate such as child name, date of birth, place of birth, present names, and address, while the death certificate is such as the name of the deceased, date of death, place of death, name of death, if and address. 3. Classifying birth and death certificate files. Classifying birth and death certificate files by date, month, and year is the process of grouping and arranging files neatly, orderly, consistently based on the order of the time of the event, date, month, and year, so that it makes it easier to search, manage those documents in the future. 4. Preparation of archive files to warehouse. The preparation of birth certificate archive files to the warehouse is the process of organizing and placing birth certificate files. that have been processed and classified into the archive warehouse. With the process of storing and securing these documents civil so that they can be easily retrieved or rediscovered if needed. 5. Input birth certificate data based on name and nick. Inputting birth certificate data based on name and nick is the process of entering information contained in the birth certificate file into a computer system using the name and residence number nick, so that the data can be stored digital and easily accessed for administrative purposes. For example, making ID card, passport, and address. 6. Legalized birth certificate and legalized CPPD. Legalizing a birth certificate is the process of giving official recognition or authenticity of document and issuing stamps or signatures of birth certificate by authorities such as government officials so that document has legal force and can be used as legal evidence for various purposes, such as making ID card, passport, and address. While legalizing CPPD, official travel warrants, is the process of giving official recognition or verifying an official stamp or signature on the document by authorities such as government officials, who certify a photocopy of the document so that the document has legal force and can be used as valid evidence for administrative purposes, financial accountability, and others. 7. Printing to make birth certificate file title and BAKA. Printing to make the title of the birth certificate and BAKA is the process of printing important information that is written, such as BAK 1 to 15 birth certificate from January to December and year 2024 to 2026. BAK 1 to 15 BAKA January to December and year 2024 to 2026. Conclusion and suggestion. Conclusion. After carrying out this field work practice PKL activity, a lot of experience and knowledge were gained. If various kinds of vocational theories are taught at school, then when field work practice PKL students can use these theories as a basis for carrying out an activity practice. In essence, this field work practice activity is very useful to develop what is taught in school as a process of maturation or establishment later, when you are already in the working world. Suggestion: schools should be more prepared and more honest student skills before carrying out practice in agency companies, DU atau DI.
That's all. Thank you.
With just one touch,